Hello everybody, welcome back to the Two-Wheeled Traveler channel. Today we're going to do an install video on our soundbar on Blue. So hang around, let's see what we can get into here. And before we go much further, please hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, that would be fantastic. Let's get after it. So the first thing we're going to do to gain access is take the seat off. To do that, there is one bolt that holds it to the rear fender. And take the bolt out, just like that. We now have access to the battery, which is the next thing we're going to take apart. I'm just going to go ahead and swap screwdrivers real quick. So, now the battery is all disconnected. So, after reviewing the instructions, there's two different ways you can do this. The first way is you can put these clips on the handlebars. The second way is you can put the clips on the speaker first. I am going to go with putting the clips on the handlebars. And another important fact to check out before you get into this project is to take the soundbar and just kind of dry set it up in there and make sure that it's not going to interfere with any of your turning or any of your ability to get to any of your signals or any of that, because you don't want to affect the safety of how your vehicle rides, your motorcycle rides. You don't want to affect the function of being able to get to the controls. So just a good helpful tip, make sure it fits before you cinch everything down. So I've already installed one of the clips, which is pretty easy because as you can see, they just pull apart a little bit and then they can go over the handlebars. So I'm going to put the other one on, let you guys see that. So you just pull it apart. Yeah, boom, you're right there. So now that we have those brackets on the handlebars, we're going to install these, which is what the speaker sits in itself. And to do that, all you got to do is take that, slide it in your bracket, and then on the back side, it comes with a nut to put on the back side. Once you have this side secure, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, which is put the bolt through both brackets, and then you're going to put the nut on the back side of it, that's what they look like. They're not very big. All right, as you can see, they are both now attached. Yes, I dropped one of the screws, so I had to go away for a second, find the screw. So we got these in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go grab the sound bar. It goes in this side and then this side after that. And let's get that done. First, I'm going to just disconnect this, which is, I'll show you as soon as I get it pulled apart. It's just a plug connector, but that way this will be much easier to get through there. Rotate it so that the speakers are facing you, because you do not care if other people can hear it. You want to be the one to hear it. So, there are those. And now on to the next part of the instructions. Alright, we went and grabbed our pliers, so we're going to tighten this down. Like I said before, make sure that your handlebars still swing properly, you can get to everything properly, because it would be horrible to go to the trouble to get this on your bike and then find out that it doesn't work with your windshield or with other things that you have on your bike. So always double check that. So go ahead. That's on there good and tight. Now we'll move on to the next one. Actually, this one, if I remember right. Good and started. On to the next step. Now, I might not be the best electrician in the world, so this probably looks all ratty to some people. But, so the blue wire is not necessary in my application. That's why it's all taped off like that. Then we have this tap goes to any ground ignition powered wire. You don't want it tapped into something that's going to run all the time because it'll drain your battery all the time. Then obviously you have the positive and the negative. You connect the battery terminals there, and there we go. And if you want to hear it, we'll set that up momentarily.